Are you ready to lead your team? Discover the true potential of your leadership skills and captivate your audience with SlideTeam's PowerPoint presentation on leadership. The aim is to take you on a transformative journey as we unveil the secrets to becoming an exceptional leader through the power of this PowerPoint bundle. Download this PPT template to rewrite the rules of leadership and leave a mark on your audience. This is a PowerPoint preset that encapsulates the essence of true leadership. Have your audience understand what and who a leader is using this slide. Ready for a mind-bending revelation? These slides brilliantly display the clash of titans, managers versus leaders. Uncover how these two mindsets differ and learn how leadership fares against management. Enter the realm of extraordinary leadership, where greatness awaits. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a true leader on the next captivating PPT slide. Marvel at the qualities that set them apart: an agent for change, inspire people, visionary thinking, and a passion for empowering others. Buckle up for a thorough exploration of leadership styles. Delve into the captivating world of leadership based on authority, where autocratic reigns supreme, democratic inspires collaboration, and laissez-faire fosters autonomy. With this PowerPoint design, unravel the power dynamics and discover which style ignites your leadership prowess. Lead with confidence and impact. Download and harness the power of this premium PowerPoint template. This PPT slide highlights the contrast between transactional and transformational leadership. Master the art of transactional prowess, where rewards and punishments prevail, while transformational proficiency sparks inspiration. In the realm of leadership, theories serve as guiding stars, illuminating paths toward effective leadership. By embracing established knowledge like the trait theory, managerial grid, contingency theory, and leader behavior theory, leaders unlock their potential to inspire, motivate, and empower others. As our leadership odyssey comes to a close, let the fire of ambition continue to burn within you. Remember, true leadership isn't just a title, it's a lifelong commitment to making a lasting impact. Now, step ahead and become the catalyst of change the world needs. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.